Hi, my name is Isaac, and welcome to my channel. In today's talk, I'll be talking about how you can come up with a side project idea, side project idea. Let me put it that way. So, how do you come up with a side project idea? I have been programming. I've been doing coding stuff like over some years now, and I feel like that if I'm able to share this tips and tricks with you, to help you guys to come up with a creative and awesome side project idea. So first of all, before you can come up with a separate idea, it's a good separate idea. There are some things that you've been working on. Like for example, if you're a programmer or if you're a software engineer, you've been working in the corporate organization or corporate entities, and you just feel like I have some ideas I have to work on. Is it mobile app? Is this web app? Is it software applications that you can work on your own in your free time and at the end turn into something cool if you wanted to turn into something cool or start making money from it. So to cut the long story short, this is how you can come up with a separate idea. What are the things that you are always passionate about? That's just it. That's just the main points of what coming up with a separate idea. What are the things I've been passionate about all these years before I get into coding, before I get into software engineering, before I get into software development? These are the things that you have to put in mind before you can get a crazy or a creative separate idea. So, for example, as a software engineer, I always have passion to come up with this social network. For example, yes, that's just for example. I also have passion to create a what is a social media clone. For example, Google or what or Twitter. So if I'm able to work on this project in my free time, it's it's part of exercising my creativity and come up with something cool at the end. So that's just how you can come up with what is separate ideas and work on it on your free time. And most times at the end, when it's the project you were passionate about, you always make it a success at the end of the whole project. So that's how you will be able to come up with a good and an awesome separate ideas.